Ford unveiled the fifth iteration of the iconic Ranger in late 2021, followed by the Ranger Raptor's grand entry in early 2022. However, these exciting reveals were designated for markets beyond the U.S. borders. The long-awaited moment has arrived, as Ford now unveils the 2024 Ranger and Ranger Raptor for North American aficionados. Aesthetically, the new pickup truck aligns with its global doppelganger both inside and outside. But there's more than meets the eye, as the North American version packs some noteworthy differences under the hood. The Ranger Raptor sports a potent twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, akin to the global model, yet with a significant power boost. The powertrain churns out a mighty 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Coupled with Ford's 10-speed select-shift automatic transmission, it stands as the sole gearbox choice for the entire Ranger lineup. The 2024 Ranger's base model features a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4 engine, generating 270 horsepower and 310 pound-foot of torque. Ford also offers an optional larger 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, borrowed from the F-150 and Bronco, boasting 315 horsepower and 400 pound-foot of torque. Equipped with an advanced four-wheel drive system, the Raptor houses an electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case and locking front and rear differentials. Its robust 17-inch wheels, covered by 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3 tires, sit beneath flared fenders with functional vents. Ford also provides optional 17-inch beadlock wheels, featuring available beadlocks for low tire pressure situations. The Raptor's multiple drive modes, normal, tow and haul, sport, slippery, off-road, rock crawl, and Baja, modulate the 2.5-inch Fox Live valve internal bypass shocks performance. These modes also impact the engine, transmission, ABS calibration, traction control, steering, and throttle. Furthermore, they tweak the instrument cluster and touchscreen. An active valve exhaust system offers quiet, normal, sport, and Baja settings. Ford's Ranger lineup comprises 4 trims: XL, XLT, Lariat, and Raptor. The XL sports a black grille bar, and grille surround. The XLT and Lariat distinguish themselves with gray accents on the grille bar and surround, with an optional chrome upgrade available. While the XL and XLT come with 17-inch wheels, the Lariat rides on 18-inch wheels. Enthusiasts can start placing orders for the 2024 Ranger and Ranger Raptor later this month. The base model's price begins at $34,160, while the Raptor is tagged at $56,960. Both trucks will hit the market in late summer, although the Ranger with the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 will only be available in late fall.